In this video, I will show you how to use Rocket Lawyer to create your LLC. So Rocket Lawyer is a great legal service that can help you create your LLC with ease. So you can also do it manually, but this is a pretty complicated process, and going through a legal service such as Rocket Lawyer, make sure that you do everything compliantly and will save you time. So here's how you can use it to create your LLC. First, go to rocketlawyer.com. Then here you can click Start a Business, and then under Business Registration you will see Start an LLC. So we are going to click Start an LLC. Now here first enter your business name. This is optional. If you don't know what you want your business to be named yet, you can just click Get Started. Now here enter who the main point of contact for your business is. So your first, last name, email and phone number. Now they will ask what type of business structure are you planning to file. In my case this is a limited liability company, so I will click on the first option here. Then click Continue. Now choose the state that you are in and where you want your LLC to be formed. As you can see, it is common for LLCs to form in the state where the LLC operates. So for example, if you are in Delaware, then you want to select Delaware and click Continue. Now here provide a short description of what your LLC will be doing. For example, managing real estate or providing IT consulting services. Now here select an industry category that best describes your LLC. For example, I will say media, entertainment and publishing. Now here you can choose if you would like Rocket Lawyer to help you get your tax ID number, which is an EIN. Now if you are planning on hiring employees, then you will need to have an EIN, and you can either get it yourself or you can let Rocket Lawyer get it for you. So I'll let them do it. Now you also need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. Now you can either find one yourself, do it yourself, or make Rocket Lawyer your registered agent. I will make Rocket Lawyer my registered agent since that's easiest. Now you can also choose if you want to file your taxes with Rocket Tax, so that's their tax software. I'm going to do it myself. Now you can protect your company with a registered trademark. I won't need this, so I'll click I'll do it myself. Now here you will see all of the details of your LLC. So you will see your name, state, business type, etc. Make sure this is all correct, and you can change any of it by clicking on the edit icon. So then click Continue. Now you are almost done. Now all you need to do is choose a membership. So you can either choose Rocket Legal right here or the other Rocket Legal, and the difference between these is that this one will be billed annually and this one will be billed monthly. So I'm going to select annually. When you click on the drop down menu, you can see what's included. Now when you scroll further down, you will see your order summary. So the total price for me is $294.98. Of this, $110 is the state filing fee. Now if you choose to do everything yourself, such as getting the tax ID and the registered agent service, then you will only pay for the state government fee, so then it will basically be free apart from the fee that you are going to have to pay either way. Then just go ahead and enter your payment information and click Confirm Purchase. Then after you make the purchase, they will form your LLC. And on the Rocket Lawyer website, you can go to your account by clicking in the top right on your profile picture and then going to your dashboard. So then here you will see the updates on your LLC formation. So that's how to use Rocket Lawyer to form your LLC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.